Top 5 Best NBA Android Games 2019 Android headlines. Microsoft said the Surface Laptop 3 would be easy to open. And it actually is. The Verge. Even Fallout 76's most loyal supporters are mad at Bethesda over its new subscription service, IGN. Possible closure of Charlottetown call center may mean loss of 222 jobs, The Guardian. India's crashed moon lander is still missing, and NASA can't find it anywhere, Science Alert. The counterintuitive cure for low oil prices, oilprice.com. First Costco on First Nation land set to open on Tsuut'ina Nation in 2020. Global news. Dished, Daily Hive. Dished, Daily Hive. Riot Games revamps teamfight tactics with Rise of Elements update, Happy Gamer. Google's Pixel Live wallpaper app launches on the Play Store, mobile.